Okay, this is Second Avenue, 55th Street. This is second floor, apartment 1D, one flight up from the lobby. We are proceeding to the kitchen. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, microwave. Then you have 3 spots for storage space. You have a closet here, storage at the bottom. Then you have a large closet here. Also a closet here. It's pretty good. And let me show you the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. You have a tub, a glass partition. I think this apartment gets a lot of light because you don't have tall buildings right across the street. The buildings are kind of far away. You're looking down on Second Avenue. The windows are double pane. I think that's it. It's a pretty spacious apartment. It's totally renovated.